Control space is the official push-to-talk key for Microsoft Teams. However, there's a catch. It only works when the Teams window is active. If the window is in the background, the hotkey does nothing. The good news! There's a reliable workaround. Instead of relying on Teams itself, we can control the microphone at the system level, keeping it unmuted in Teams while managing audio input externally. That's where AutoPTT comes in. It's a lightweight application designed specifically for this purpose. With AutoPTT, you can use push to talk, push to mute, or toggle mute, depending on what best fits your workflow. In this video, we'll walk through how to set up and use all three of these options. The first thing you'll want to do is click on the Device 1 tab here. Then select your microphone from the list of devices. For push to talk, set the activation mode to Open Mic to PTT. You may have noticed that the icon turned red. It means that the microphone is currently muted system-wide. It will only be unmuted while the push to talk key is held down, so let's set a keybind for that. Now, pressing the key will turn the icon and other parts of the interface green to indicate that the microphone is unmuted. For push to mute, set the activation mode to push to talk and then set a hotkey for push to mute global. The reason we use push to talk mode here is that in this mode the microphone is not muted system-wide by default. It is only muted when the global mute hotkey is active, which you can see from the icon turning red again when pressing the key. For toggle mute, the activation mode should also be on push to talk. You just set the hotkey for toggle mute global and then press the key once to mute and again to unmute. Please note that AutoPTT is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by Microsoft or Teams.